We're really looking forward to having a flat tow behind us, a lot more freedom and independence, and we can leave our Tiffin Wayfarer hooked up wherever we are. The Invisa brake system fit very neatly underneath the back seat in our Ford Maverick Hybrid truck. We're gonna hook up to our Roadmaster. Need to line myself up.
All right. First thing we have to do is figure out how far away Christina can be in the tow car. So she needs to back up so I can get these on there.
Pull forward.
And with this Roadmaster system, you can't put these in wrong. So they only go in one way. I can't put it in wrong. It locks in with the pin. So these things go in like that, and then they go in like that and then rotate, and so it locks it in to that groove. So there's no way these things can fall out. As long as that pin snaps in.
And you can't pull it out.
Pull it out.
What else we have in this goodie bag?
Connect up those into the pins. I don't know what anything's called.
Pins. More pins. All right.
We need Christina to pull forward.
Okie dokie.
Without running me over.
And I'll just watch.
So that looks pretty good. To lift those onto there. Now it's in park, so theoretically the truck can't roll forward now. So what I've been doing is facing these bolts down. They go in there. And then this can only go in one way, because if I put it in this way, there's nothing to lock it.
Okay.
So this only goes in one way. And this comes over the top. So there's a little holes. I lined up all the holes. And when I drop that down and click that, this can't pull out.
Okay.
And then I connect up this one.
And do you do it under like that, or does it matter?
Yeah, it has to go under. And because you can't go that way. That's bad.
Why?
Because this can rattle out as it's going.
Oh, interesting. Because I would have thought that would be safer to have it.
Nope, always go
Okay.
up. And then this is my breakaway cable. It connects up to the RV and to this little pin. So if the whole car breaks away, this will be pulled out. It will pull that pin out and lock up the brakes.
Nice.
And that goes over.
Over.
So I want
very important to go over.
So my breakaway cables go under, and they're crossed. They have to be crossed.
Why
so this side, that's just, I don't know why, but that's the law.
Oh, okay.
And again, my hooks are facing up and backwards. Okay. So then I want my cords, thanks to Steve, to go up and over my bar instead of under.
I gotta get that better. Okay, so now what?
So thanks to my friend Steve, I want my cords, all my electrical cords, to go up and over the bar, and my breakaway cables to go under the bars. And that just plugs into this 7-pin connector. And there's a little clip on it so that it doesn't pull out. That should be good. So that's one side. So on this side there are 4 things. There's the 7-pin connector, their breakaway park brakes, and the 2 safety cables, breakaway cables. So I want to make sure all 4 are hooked up on this side. And then on this side there's 6 things.
So you count.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, so I like the numbers. Help you remember that you didn't forget something.
So this thing, the way this works is it's going to be locked all the way out while we're driving. And in order to shorten that up, I just pop this cable, this lever up. And as we're, so if it's like this right now, it's going to be about that far out. As soon as we start driving, the truck's not going to pull, the bars are going to go out. And you'll hear it lock like that. And so what I like to do when you're driving away, when I'm checking the wheels rolling, is to make sure that those are locked out. And then sometimes when you want to undo this, it's going to be all the way extended. It's going to be a little bit of weight on it, and it can be hard to pull this up. So what they say to do is to rock the steering wheel back and forth. It'll give you a little bit of room in here, a little bit of slack, and you can pop that. Even though this pops like at 25,000 pounds compared to my 1 pound pulling or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so again, lining up my holes, put my pin in, and snap it down. That's 1.
What's the snap it down part?
This little ring.
Ah, gotcha.
So that can't pop out.
Gotcha, okay.
Then I come up with that. And then this one's kind of a pain because like I don't want it dragging on the ground. I don't want to go under here.
Mm-hmm.
So I just kind of do this. And there's a groove on this. This is a 6-pin. So we're going 7-pin to 6-pin.
Oh, on that side, okay.
So there's a groove right here and that goes up.
Which you can tell because you wouldn't be able to put it in any other way.
Well, sometimes it seems like it can.
Okay.
So, okay. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They all look good.
6 things on the truck connection, and how many on the RV connection?
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Everything looks good.
So
now we're
now,
ready for Christina to do her neutral tow setup.
neutral tow mode for the Ford Maverick Hybrid.
And usually she's in the car the whole time doing this. 1 click, 2 clicks. Door, seatbelts, door jar. Okay, we're in park to start with.
Correct. Go to the menu, and I want to go down to get to settings. Then I push OK. Now I go to vehicle settings.
Neutral tow, and you gotta hold it.
To initialize. Place vehicle in neutral. Neutral tow engaged. Turn ignition off for towing.
Okay, so we tow that off and leave your keys.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now Christina gets in the RV and she's gonna drive a total of 10 feet. So the first thing I want is to check the brakes. And I want to make sure that physical pedal is going down. So you can see as she presses on the brake, the compressor kicks in and pulls the pedal down to brake. Okay, now we check our lights and alright, so brake lights on both sides. Now we need to check blinkers. Blinkers on both sides. And now we need to make sure the wheels are rolling and the parking brake is not on. So she's going to pull forward. All the wheels are rolling. And you can see that both of those bars have now snapped in and the levers are straight down. And now I need to check the other side. And those are rolling too. So we're all good to go. So there's one more thing we need to hook up. This is the monitor for the brake. It tells us if the brakes are working in the back and if they're on, as well as if that little pin gets pulled, this thing will blare an alarm and tell us. So I just need to plug this in. It's not really connected to anything except for by radio frequency. I plugged that into the lighter, and then you can see here that we've got a green light on, which is good.
Excellent. And then we also have on our screen, we can watch from the back camera that everything's okay. And I'll also look for the wheels rotating. Alright, so we're going to detach in this parking lot over here.
Six things to disconnect on that side,
Mm-hmm.
and 2 things on this side. Alright, so here is 1. Here is 2. Here is 3, and this one's the hardest.
Why is that one the hardest?
I don't know, I can never. That was easy today. What was that? 3? 4?
I can't see any of the things that you're doing.
5.
'Is it tough?
That one's all.
I don't know that I'd be able to do that
Go
then.
backwards?
Yes. Why?
Because we're on a little bit of a hill.
Uh-huh.
So if you hadn't put it in park right now, we had
We
left
would-
it neutral.
We would have said, bye-bye, birdie.
Yeah. Goodbye, car. Here.
That's that for the truck. Now we have to fold up all of the Roadmaster stuff.
Cable. And that's it.
Nice job, honey.
Pretty easy.
You make it look easy. If I were to do it, I'm sure it'd be very hard.
It's just a matter of making sure you connect the 6 things on one side and the 2 on the other.
Okay. So 6 and 2.
6 and 2.
Awesome.
All right.
All right, so our site is number 74, it looks like. I'm just gonna come get my drink,
All right.
because I know it's gonna take a long time to get to 74. Kitties.
Stop yelling at us.
Who's yelling at whom?
Well, this is not on. 7 things.
Uh-oh, it's, oh, the one on the
It is one
dashboard.
thing in here.
Okay. All right. Drink. Keys.